Power of compounding in share market. Compounding is a process where the interest earned on an investment is reinvested along with the original investment, making the interest become part of the principal. Compounding is the ability of an asset to generate earnings, which are then reinvested or remain invested with the goal of generating their own earnings. Compounding will do wonders for your investing returns. It can make all the difference between a mediocre investment strategy and one with fantastic long-term results. Here's the proof in the form of a real-life example. Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's company versus the U.S. equity benchmark index. This is a perfect example of how to achieve great investment returns without worrying about the initial years. As the years go by, the higher returning asset opens a big gap with the lower returning one. And if the period is as high as 53 years and the higher returning asset is Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, the gap could be as high as 145x. Imagine having 20 rupees lakhs versus just 13,000 rupees and change. Or 20 crores versus just 13 rupees lakhs and change for every 10,000 rupees invested. Yet again, the power of compounding at play. The takeaway is simple. The higher your returns and the longer the time horizon, the bigger the corpus. And we are not talking 2x or 3x bigger. It could be as high as 10x or even 20x than the lower returning asset given sufficient time. This is exactly what my mission is with the Double Income Project. The idea is to create an extra income stream in as little time as possible. What's the impact of an asset compounding at 20% per annum over the long term versus another compounding at a mere 7 to 8%? It is the difference between having to wait for more than 25 to 26 years to create another income stream for yourself versus achieving the same goal in 8 to 9 years flat. This is the project I've been working on, Double Income. Starting early since investment tenure is longer, the investment amount can be small. Starting investment early improves your spending habit. You enjoy the benefit of compounding. You can accumulate a larger corpus for staying invested longer. You have higher risk-taking ability.